Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford Fusion, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2016 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter. So right now the problem is this car was brought in by a customer. He did his own diag, and he's trying to figure out why is the windows not working. So all four of them right now, nothing works. He even bought like another master window switch because he thought the switch was bad, but it wasn't the switch. Now I can show you this one. Nothing works. Nothing at all. The button on the window lock, nothing, doesn't light up, nothing. The mirror doesn't move, nothing. And this one's also the same thing. When I plugged it in, it doesn't work. It turns out to be the driver door control module. So I bought the parts already. So this is the driver door control module. I bought this from Ford original. This is the part number right here. This is from Ford right there. So he's in the middle of it. He took out the door and everything and couldn't figure it out, so he gave it to me to diag what's wrong with it. It's a driver door module, control module that's bad. Here's my diagram for the diag. So you can see this is the driver door master switch right here. There's 3 wires. You can see it says brown and yellow is power. This is powered right there, and this is from the BCM. Now this is the fuse 23 10 amps, and then there's a ground, which is the blue and green wire, and then the LIN, I believe this is the signal. Now I'm going to show you using my test probe for power and ground. I'll start with the brown and yellow. You can see it goes all the way to the BCM, fuse 23 10 amps. Usually you check the fuse first to see if the fuse is blown or not, but this one I checked already. If it has power down here, that's mean the fuse is good, but if it doesn't have power, that's mean you have to check the fuse. But this one has power. You can see I'm on my brown and yellow, and it says power, so I have power coming down. Then my next one is going to be my ground right here, blue and green. So I'm gonna switch it to blue and green. Blue and green. There you go. So when I touch it, that should be ground. There you go, that's ground. Now for the driver door control module, you can see it has its own power. It says V battery right there. So this is also from the fuse 25. 30 amps right there. Driver door control module, it sends a signal to the master switch in order for the switch to work, but it's nothing. Now to remove the door is pretty easy. You just use your flathead, pry this cover up from the master window switch. There's 2 5mm bolts right here, the 10mm, and then there's 2 at the bottom, 2 7mm, one right here and one right here. And then from there you can pop the the door panel out and then just lift it up. After you remove the door panel, you're gonna press on this connector to get it off the panel. This is the master switch, and then this one is for the locked and unlock button, and then this one is for the handle where you pull. And then after you remove it, you can get access to the driver door control module right here. There's 2 8mm holding on to it, and there's 2 connector. Now you're gonna press on this connector, pull down, press on this connector, pull down. The driver door control module for the red wire, which is power, all the way to fuse 25 30 amps right there. You're gonna check for power, and then the ground, which is blue and green, and then that's for the ground to the switch. I'm gonna show you. So on here, 3 red wires for power. There you go. You can see there's power. So if there's no power, then you would check the fuse, but there's power coming down, so the fuse is good. and then the ground wire right there. You can see that's ground. Let me show you the bad and the good module I put in. So using the power probe, I'm gonna show you. Bad control module doesn't send a signal to the switch. Now you can see my probe is into the green one. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna press it. There's nothing at all. It's either up or down. It has to send power to the switch, but nothing's going on. Now I'm gonna try the next wire, which is the blue. It's either have to be up or down, but nothing. You can see. Now let me show you when I plugged it into the new module. Back probe the new control module on the green wire right there. Right away you can see the window lock and unlock light turns on and off. And then for the mirror too, you can see with the old control module, that one, it doesn't sends out the power to the switch, so that's bad. Now I'm gonna show you when I press down. So the green wire is a signal down for the window. So when I press down, you're gonna see it sends power to the switch. You're gonna see a power signal right here. So watch, there you go. You can see power, right? Let me go back up on the window. So you're gonna see when I press down, here you go. There you go, it sends 12 volt right there, window all the way down. And then the next wire, which is the blue wire from the back. Blue wire, the one next to the green wire. And then when I press up, you're gonna see it sends a signal. There you go. And the window's going up. See? So it's the bad driver door control module. For the mirror, the mirror is working. There you go, press side to side. The mirror is moving up and down, works. The window up and down works. This one for the back, go down, go back up. There you go. But the another problem is when I try to press the passenger side in the right rear, it doesn't work. Now I'm pressing it down. You can see the window is not going down. And then for the rear also, I'm pressing it, but the rear doesn't go down. You can see. So that's another problem. But this one also have the passenger door control module, and I believe that one is bad also. Doesn't work, nothing working. Press down, doesn't work, nothing. Press up, doesn't work. Also the same thing in the back too. Driver's side, that is it. Just a bad control module. That's why the old one internally bad, so that's why it's not working. But I'm just gonna put everything back on the door panel, put everything back to its original place. I got the door panel back on, everything back onto the original place. Right now I have the car running. Now the window is working, going up and down. The window lock, unlock button's working. The mirror's working. One is for the passenger side. You can see it says passenger. This is the module, and this is the part number for it. It's the same price as the driver's side. It's gonna be the same location too. The door panel, you take out the same thing, put a flat head in here, pry up the switch, and then there's a connector right here. Here's the connector. Press on this tab, pull down, pry out this little cover. There's a 10mm bolt right here. There's a 2.5mm right here, and there's 2.7mm down here. And then after that, you remove everything. You're gonna pop the panel out, just pull on it, and then it'll pop out, and then just pull up on the door. There you go. And then just take out the cable right here, the connector, the one for the door handle right here too. Module is right here. There's 2 bolts holding on to it. There you go. Take it out. Put in my new one. After I put in the new module, I run into a little problem. Right now I have the car on, and I put in the switch, trying to roll up the window, roll down, nothing works. I went to print out my diagram here to check for power. This is the wire that I'm looking at, yellow and red, and then if you follow it, it's gonna go to the body control module with all the fuses. The one I'm looking at is fuse 26 30 amps, yellow and red wire. Now I'm gonna show you the yellow and red wire doesn't have power at all. Let me try to get it to show you there's no power. So you can see on the power probe there's no power at all. Now I'm going to show you to find the fuse on the door module. Now for the BCM, the body control module with the fuse, you got to take out this cover right here. It's located right there. I don't know if you can see the fuse, all the fuses right there, and it has number on the fuse box. So if you run into a little problem like me, if you put in the module and then still doesn't work, check out the fuse. Remember, I changed out the driver side, so this is the driver side, same thing. If you have a problem with that, this is the one you're gonna look for. It says V battery, red wire right there. If you follow it, it's gonna go to fuse, I believe fuse 25 30 amps, the same thing. I'm gonna show you, so let me try to sneak in the camera. I found out that on the slot you can see the number right there, the one right there, 25 and 26, the slot 26, the fuse is missing 30 amps. So I'm not sure if someone took it out or the module caused it to short out and someone took it out, forgot to put it in. So I'm gonna put in the fuse 30 amps right there. Here I got another fuse 30 amps. Now I'm gonna put it into that number 26 slot for the 30 amps. Put in the fuse 30 amp on the slot 26 right there, and then I'm gonna show you right away when I put in the fuse, the window worked right away. Now I'm gonna show you. There you go. You can see the window work right away. And then I'm going to show you on the red and yellow wire has power now. Yellow and red wire has power. When I put the fuse in, there you go, you can see it has power now. So I don't know what happened, I don't know why that fuse is missing, but it's working now. So I'm going to put everything back. I got the door panel put back, everything is working. Like I said, guys, so if you guys put in the door module and you're still having problem, if you do it at home, it's really hard. Sometimes you don't have a diagram, so you don't know what's going on with the car. But I'm at the shop, I have the diagram here, so it helps me. Driver's side right here, you're gonna look for the fuse 25 30 amps, and then for the passenger side, you're gonna look for the fuse 26 30 amps, same thing, 25 26, right where the your foot is, the body control module, that's where all the fuse is located, 25 and 26 right under. And now everything is working. Driver side, left rear is working, passenger side is working, right rear is working. So if you're working at home, it's really hard sometimes to figure it out what's going on. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.